Hey everybody, Zilson Costa here, and I want to talking about the new release from Argo Comics, when the new seal thunders on. This is Nature Man, a new comic with a great story. The public domain character Nature Boy becomes from the past to the present days, and now he becomes Nature Man, and the story talking about this, the man and the new world. So, in the creative team we have Dan San, my great friend on the story. I make the pencils and inks, and on the colors we have Giuseppe Pica, a great colorist, one of my favorites in the world. So I want to talking about the way I make the production of my art. You can support us on Kickstarter. You can see the link below. And now I want to show you something about my way to production. Here is the cover. I like to make the pencils on the paper as a traditional art. Here is the page 1, and then I make the scan on the computer and make the inks on the Manga Studio 5 with my Huion tablet and my pen. So, are you ready? Let's go!